How to pause Instagram Reels video. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily pause Instagram Reels video. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So to pause Reels, you don't have to use the Instagram app. Instead, you have to use the Instagram's website. So open up any browser on your device and then search for Instagram. Now if you tap on Instagram and after tapping on, if it's take you to the Instagram app, go back, press and hold the Instagram and then tap on open in new tab. Now here it is open in new tab, so go to new tab, then here tap on login, then enter here your phone number, username or email and password and tap on login. So let me log in quickly. So now after you log in, if you want to save info, you can tap on save info. I'm just gonna tap on not now. And now go to Reels. And now wait for the reel to load. So now after the reel is loaded and is playing, so now if you want to pause this reel, you just have to press, hold and swipe to left or right, and the reel will be paused. Now to resume the reel, you just have to tap on the reel and the reel will resume. So if you press, hold and swipe left or right, the reel will pause, and to resume the reel, you just have to tap on the reel to resume. And so this is how you can pause Instagram Reels video. Thanks for watching.